the whole deal with this is it has to do with the reason why Jesus Christ came to earth and why he died on the cross. I mean, his whole purpose was to reconcile us to God. But that reconciliation with God involves also the reconciliation with one another. You see, and this is why he gives us the praying to his Father in John 17. It's all about that. It's about the unity. It's about how as we come to him and as it gathers us around him, he is also seeking for us to be united to one another. And it's, I can imagine how he is looking down right now and looking at his church, how it's so divided. But it just keeps coming back to me how Pastor David in the last trip that we had, he kept saying the same thing over and over and over. The Church of Jesus Christ is not divided. And the reason is because when Jesus comes and he raises us up into heaven to meet him in the cloud, there won't be a division there. All of those who are going to be lifted in the cloud to meet with him there are his church. Whoever else stayed down simply does not belong to the church. So the division that supposedly exists today, it's only about the sinfulness of man and about the egotistic attitude, the selfish attitude of men that don't know how to work with each other and are looking for personal privileges and grandiousness and favors and richness in many cases. But what Paul is telling us here is how Jesus came and destroyed the wall of division that there was between Jews and Gentiles. And this is basically when he's saying that he brought them who were near to him and us who were far also to him. He made us all into one church, his body, of which is his head. And that's basically the bottom line. We are to be concerned to seek that unity, to seek that camaraderie, that's the fellowship with one another as we are called his church. Because if we are truly his body, we are simply one, and we should be behaving like